Finally, get ready, Samsung fans. The time you have been waiting for is finally here. We are, of course, discussing the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S23. The latter will be the Korean tech giant's flagship for 2023 and will be making its way to the hands of customers next month. Samsung has officially announced the launch date of its newest flagship smartphone lineup. The latter will consist of 3 devices: the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S23 Plus, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and will formally make its debut on February 1st, 2023 at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. The announcement came directly from Samsung itself. This will be the first in-person Samsung Unpacked event since the COVID pandemic started. As we've seen through leaks and slip-ups by Samsung itself, there will be a major focus on the camera experience with the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, naturally, will get the biggest upgrades. It will be Samsung's first flagship phone with a 200-megapixel camera, following 3 years of Samsung using 108-megapixel cameras on its Ultra-branded flagship phones, and will bring some neat new camera features. Samsung will also unveil new Galaxy Book 3 series of laptops at the event. In addition to the usual hardware upgrades, the Galaxy Book 3 lineup will include Samsung's first Ultra-branded notebook. There will also be a Galaxy Book 3 Pro and a Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360, and we can expect specs like AMOLED displays, the latest Intel processors, and more. Galaxy Unpacked 2023 will be streamed live around the globe through Samsung's YouTube channel and its official website starting 10 AM Pacific Standard Time. Samsung's launching the next smartphones in its premier flagship Galaxy line, a little over a week earlier than the Galaxy S22 series, and while nothing is confirmed at the moment, Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra sales could begin as early as the second week of February. For more latest leaks and news, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you tomorrow in the next video. Peace out.